You'll get to know the 10 tricks on how the rich build assets, but poor get into debt. There's a bonus trick in the end, so keep watching till there. Now let's start. Number 1. Strategic investment decisions. The key distinction between creating wealth and incurring debt frequently begins with the strategic allocation of financial resources. Affluent individuals focus on acquiring assets that increase in value over time, such as stocks, real estate, and business ventures that provide continuous returns. For instance, an individual with substantial resources may choose to allocate $50,000 towards a rental property, which can generate consistent monthly income while also appreciating in value over time. Conversely, individuals with constrained financial means frequently find themselves making purchases that lose value quickly, such as vehicles, electronics, or household goods acquired through credit. This pattern establishes a compounding effect. Appreciating assets contribute to increased wealth for further investment, whereas depreciating purchases combined with interest obligations undermine financial stability. Number 2. Utilizing debt strategically. Not all debt holds the same value. Affluent individuals frequently secure loans at interest rates ranging from 3 to 4% to capitalize on investment opportunities that generate returns of 8 to 12% or higher each year. Utilizing a low-interest business loan can be a strategic move to expand operations, while leveraging a mortgage may provide an opportunity to acquire income-generating property. In the interim, individuals with limited financial resources often depend on high-interest credit cards, which can carry APRs of 25% or more, or payday loans that may surpass 400% APR to manage essential expenses. The difference in interest rates indicates that for some, debt can serve as a means to accumulate wealth, whereas for others, it may transform into a significant financial strain. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more tips on personal finance. Number 3. Exploring opportunities beyond traditional working hours. Affluent individuals typically do not depend on just one income stream. They establish a variety of income sources through rental properties, dividend-generating stocks, business investments, and passive income opportunities. An affluent investor can generate income through their main profession alongside rental income from real estate, dividends from various investments, and gains from business collaborations. Individuals with limited earnings frequently find themselves reliant on one source of income, which exposes them to significant financial risks should that income be interrupted. When expenses surpass this sole income source, it is common for debt to bridge the difference. Number 4. The knowledge deficit in financial literacy. Understanding financial concepts plays a crucial role in determining one's ability to accumulate wealth. Affluent individuals frequently engage with professional financial advisors, tax specialists, and investment consultants who assist in enhancing their financial choices. Individuals acquire knowledge on intricate investment approaches, tax efficiency, and methods for safeguarding their wealth. Individuals with limited financial resources often do not have access to professional guidance or structured financial education, resulting in choices that may appear beneficial in the immediate future but can lead to significant economic difficulties over time. This lack of understanding continues to lead to less than ideal financial decisions. The rich are aware that the education provided in school lacks any subject of financial principles. Thus, they engage themselves into podcasts, seminars, and indulge into educational videos available on YouTube. Number 5. Navigating tax strategies. Understanding the tax system can offer significant benefits for individuals who are adept at maneuvering through its complexities. High net worth individuals have the opportunity to lower their tax liabilities by utilizing strategic investments in tax advantaged accounts, leveraging real estate depreciation, maximizing business expense deductions, and effectively managing capital gains. Individuals may find themselves facing an effective tax rate of 15% on their investment gains, in contrast to those receiving regular wages, who often encounter higher rates on their income. The variation in tax obligations influences the pace at which various demographics are able to build their wealth. Number 6. Utilizing social capital. Building wealth significantly relies on the strength of professional networks. Affluent individuals frequently benefit from unique investment prospects, privileged information, and significant business networks within their social circles. Individuals may gain insights into promising startups prior to their public offerings or receive early opportunities in real estate investments. Individuals with constrained networks often overlook valuable opportunities, which can hinder their wealth building potential and may result in dependence on more readily available, yet less favorable, financial products. Number 7. Initiating early. Receiving wealth through inheritance provides a considerable advantage in the journey of accumulating assets. Affluent families transfer not only financial assets, but also real estate, enterprises, and investment holdings. Parents may consider assisting their children with down payments for homes or offering funding for entrepreneurial endeavors. Numerous families beginning their financial journey encounter a challenging scenario. They may find themselves needing to support older generations or starting off with student loan debt, which can complicate their path to wealth accumulation. Number 8. The credit advantage. Access to credit shows significant disparities across different socioeconomic groups. Individuals who maintain strong credit profiles and possess substantial assets are positioned to obtain loans that offer advantageous terms, reduced interest rates, and improved repayment alternatives. Refinancing debt can be a strategic move to secure lower interest rates, while accessing lines of credit may provide valuable opportunities for investment growth. People with limited financial resources or poor credit histories frequently encounter elevated interest rates and more stringent conditions, resulting in increased borrowing costs and added complexities in utilizing credit for wealth accumulation. Number 9. The rich prioritize protection. Affluent individuals safeguard their assets by utilizing thorough insurance policies and maintaining significant emergency reserves. They can navigate financial challenges without compromising their wealth accumulation plan. Individuals who rely on their regular income for expenses frequently find it challenging to secure sufficient insurance or build emergency savings. This situation can expose them to unforeseen costs, potentially leading to a cycle of debt. Number 10. The rich focus on the long game. Wealth developing requires long-term strategic planning. Affluent individuals have the opportunity to concentrate on long-term investment approaches and endure market volatility. They may choose to reinvest profits strategically rather than opting for immediate returns. Individuals facing financial challenges frequently prioritize their immediate survival requirements, which can hinder their ability to adopt long-term wealth accumulation strategies. Focusing on short-term basic needs can lead to decisions that constitute long-term monetary stability more challenging to achieve. The rich understand this and avoid such short-term luxuries and invest into assets that actually appreciate in value over the long run, like gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, other digital and physical assets. Number 11. Avoiding to flaunt wealth. Maintaining a low profile regarding wealth is a crucial approach that affluent individuals adopt to enhance their assets, whereas those with fewer resources may find themselves in debt by displaying their financial status. When individuals choose to refrain from displaying their wealth, they tend to allocate their funds towards assets that provide sustainable long-term value, including real estate, stocks, or business ventures. Conversely, individuals who feel compelled to showcase their affluence frequently allocate their resources towards high-end possessions, including luxury vehicles, designer apparel, and extravagant getaways. Now, watch the video appearing on the right side to know the 7 signs that show a person is secretly right. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.